is the top dog when it comes to first gen Camaro, really any first or second gen Camaro. 1969 RS ZL1. It's got the all aluminum 427, way underrated at 430 horsepower. This one's actually rated less than the was the L72 engine you could have gotten a Corvette with the tri-power, which is rated at 435 horse. They didn't want you buying this. Well, the engine was already expensive. It took a base model on a 69 Camaro, like 2,800. The end price of this would end up being like 7,400. It was all said and done. But I always wondered who put these stripes on here, and it was actually the selling dealership that put these on here. So those are really like 69 Trans Am stripes. But I guess they figured it would spice it up. It's interesting though, because it's a big block car, but there's no blackout. I mean, being a COPO car. But they sprung for the bumper guards. This was not a cheap car. They also sprung for the vinyl top. It's got power disc brakes, 4-speed of course. Just a beautiful car. Beautiful car. Yeah, this is pretty close to how I would have ordered mine back in the day if I was high rolling like that. Except I'd have been like, leave them stripes off. I don't need those. But this thing is beautiful, and I love the steelies and dog dishes. So this is it. Wish I could hear this bad boy. It's unrestored. See the paint blotches coming through, paint burns and whatnot. So it actually says under the hood is a warranty replacement ZL1 engine. The original engine was kept by GM and located many years ago, and has been kept with the car ever since. So they have a warranty replacement and the original one, which is all the money there. But look at this thing. Just a standout in a row full of standouts, man. Just beautiful.